In this video, you will see how to disable the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome using the Registry Editor. This is a workaround to help you remove the bookmarks bar, which cannot be disabled from the new tab in Chrome. Open the Registry Editor. Navigate to the following location: Computer, _local_machine, Software, Policies, Google, Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome under Policies, you must create it. Create the required keys. Right-click on Policies, select New, Key, and name it Google. Now, right-click on Google, select New, Key, and name it Chrome. Right-click inside the Chrome key, select New, DWORD 32-bit value. Name it Bookmarks Bar Enabled and set its value to 0. Open Google Chrome. If you don't see any changes and the bookmarks bar is still present, restart your computer and check again. Now, as you can see, the Show Bookmarks Bar option is disabled. It says Managed by your administrator because it has been disabled from the registry. To enable it, you need to change the bookmarks bar enabled value from 0 to 1, or delete the bookmarks bar enabled entry from the registry. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.